So today we are talking about three of the most popular SEO tools: Ahrefs, Semrush, and Moz. If you want to rank your website on Google, if you want to do keyword research or analyze your competitors, this tool can help you a lot. But many beginners feel confused because all of these three tools, they offer similar kind of features. The truth is they are powerful in different way. In this video, I will explain the differences in a very simple way so you can understand which one is a best option for your needs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools. Today we are comparing Ahrefs, Semrush and Moz so you can decide which SEO tool is right for your needs. I also placed helpful links in the description where you can explore these tools and you can check the available offers. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description, because by using the link, any benefits or discounts that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's understand these tools in a simple way. First, let's understand what all of these tools do. Ahrefs, Semrush and Moz, they are totally SEO platforms that help you to find keywords, track rankings, analyze backlink, improve the website performance. They all give you data so you can understand how your website is performing and how to improve it. Now let's talk about Ahrefs first. Specifically, if I talk about Ahrefs, this is best known for its backlink analysis. Now let's talk about the Ahrefs first. If I talk about specifically this, then Ahrefs is best known for its backlink analysis. Backlink are links from other websites and they are very important for SEO. Ahrefs has one of the most accurate and updated backlink database, which help you to understand who is linking to your competitors and how you can build better links. It also has the strong keyword research and content research tools, making it a favorite option for SEO professionals. Now let's talk about the Semrush. Semrush is more like an all-in-one platform for marketing tool. It includes SEO features but also includes tools for content marketing, competitor analysis, paid ads, and even social media. This makes it very useful if you want everything in one platform. It also has the advanced keyword tools and competitor tracking, and also has the site audit option. Basically, the interface is very easy to understand, which makes it a good choice for beginners. However, it has a smaller dataset and fewer advanced features compared to Ahrefs and Semrush. It also has advanced keyword tools and competitor tracking, which help you to plan better strategies and find opportunities faster. Now, let's talk about the Moz. Moz is simpler compared to the other two tools. It focuses mainly on core SEO feature like keyword research, rank tracking, site audits. The interface is very easy to understand, which makes it a good choice for beginners. However, it has a smaller dataset and fewer advanced features compared to Ahrefs and Semrush. Now, you may ask which one is best for keyword research. Both Ahrefs and Semrush, they are very strong here. Now, they have large keyword database and provide detailed insight like search volume, difficulty, and traffic potential. They have large keyword databases and provide detailed insight like search volume, difficulty, and traffic potential. Moz can still help you, but it is more basic compared to other two tools. If your focus is backlink analysis, then Ahrefs is usually the best choice because it has the accurate and fresh data. If your focus is having multiple tools in one place, then Semrush is one of the best option here, because it offers more feature beyond the SEO. If you are just starting and want something that is simple, affordable, then Moz is a good option to start with. So which one is best for ranking? The truth is, no tool alone will rank your website. These tools only give you data and insights. Your results depend on how you use that data. But if we compare overall value, then Semrush is one of the best option for its all-in-one marketing. Ahrefs is best for SEO analysis and Moz is best for beginners. In simple word, choose Ahrefs if you want a strong backlink and SEO data. Choose Semrush if you want a complete marketing platform, and choose Moz if you want something easy to use and budget friendly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe Easy Access Tech for more simple tool comparisons and guides. And don't forget to check the link from description so any benefit get applied automatically. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.